I sat down to pack some drills and then I couldn't resist playing with the light, how I lean forward and then you can't see out the window and I lean back and you can see out the window. It's the little things that make me smile. So I am packing some drills. There's not much color in the drills I'm working on right now except for that orange one. I am working on 2 beginner kits. So I have the inventory sheet and the stickers, the DMC stickers for both diamond painting kits. And I'm measuring the diamond drills with a 1 gram scoop. And there's about 200 drills in a gram. I really enjoy making these diamond painting kits at home. It is a longer process than I ever imagined it would be. And I pack the drills myself. I can order sets of drills for diamond painting kits from China. And if I did that, the minimum order would be 50 sets of drills. And I'm not big enough to stock up for 50 copies of one diamond painting just yet. I'll get there. Take a look at this. This is trash. That is a big piece of trash.